Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Miles.
And it's time for another spicy noodle mukbang. Does that sound good?
Good.
Alright. So, what do we have today? We've got something from
Malaysia.
Yeah, from Malaysia. We've got some Penang Tom Yum Goong.
Good.
Yeah, red Tom Yum Goong
Tamago.
from MyKuali. See, they sent me a shirt. Anyways, here
Anyway,
is what I threw together today.
my serious news.
That is some serious news. These are rice vermicelli.
What's the cherry
Yeah.
over here?
These are fish and shrimp balls. This is, what do you call it? Mung bean sprouts.
Three.
Little coriander. You might know it as cilantro. Leaf, yeah. And I come complete with a runny nose today. So,
Eva.
it's time.
It's time.
It's time. And there's a little bit of fried garlic on there too. Alright. It's the first mukbang I've done in a little while, so hopefully it goes well. Ready?
Let's go.
You want to try it?
Oh,
No. Miles is currently sitting on a box of Legos. It doesn't look all that comfortable. Yeah, just look at that broth. It's pretty intense stuff. Pretty spicy too. I like to lavish the fish ball with the broth. So when I get to it, it's all flavory. So how's it going, buddy? Are you having a good year?
oh, I want Alexa.
That is pretty darn spicy. I've been getting people lately in the comments on my other mukbangs saying, yeah, a lot of people think that's spicy. I can't even taste the spiciness at all. It's not even spicy. On stuff that's definitely spicy. And these are people that love spicy food. And the only reason they're eating it is because it's spicy. And then they're complaining that it's not even spicy. I've done my fair share of mukbang. And it's always something I have to just endure, you know? Where'd Miles go? Oh, he's grabbed his tablet. Man. I'm just not as good at spicy as I used to be. It's kind of a tolerance thing, too. You get that guy who eats like lots of spicy food, and then let him kind of not eat spicy food for a little while, like this guy. Oh man, it definitely. So this is a new recipe for 2019. I don't know what's new about it. Ooh, my guess is that maybe it's a little spicier. done. How'd I do, Miles?
A is for apple.
How'd I do? A is for apple, I know, but how'd I do? Am I done? Well, Miles has decided A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for what? C is for cat. And capsicum. And spicy chilies. Good stuff. Wow, I need to get back in my game. Holy moly. Well, I'm impressed. Again, as always, 5 stars. Well, thank you to MyKuali for shooting this over and the attire. And hey, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Happy day.
Have a good one.
Bye.